Hey y'all, it's Meso and I'm back. Get on into my kitchen today where I'm going to be showing you how to make some delicious cranberry chicken with homemade cranberry sauce. Take a look at that. Let's get started. So here are some of our ingredients. We're going to be using some Cavender's all-purpose Greek seasoning. Now that's just something that I like. You don't need this. It's just the way I want to season mine. I'm using some thyme. Also, of course, I'm using some garlic. Everything goes better with garlic. And I'm using some Creole seasoning. Why? Just because I want to. I am also going to be using some paprika. And of course, just a little bit of salt. We've got some natural sea salt here. What's next? I got some ground savory. Now this I feel like you need. I've got some poultry seasoning. And I got some Watkins black pepper, baby. That's the Cadillac of peppers. And here I have some rosemary. And here I've got some homemade cranberry sauce. Made this a couple of days ago. That's what's going to turn our chicken into cranberry chicken. And I have just a little bit of vegetable oil here, about 3 tablespoons. So let's get started. I got these big old girls here. I'm going to cut them in half because they're just too big. I have 3 big, fat, succulent chicken breasts. I'm cutting them in half now. I'm starting to cut mine in my hand. And then I lay it down and cut the rest of it. Don't you do that. That's a little dangerous. Now I'm going to do a cleanup. I'm just looking at these guys. Anywhere I see any excessive fat, any veins, any yucky stuff at all, I want to get that off. See that there? We don't want to eat that. So we're going to just get all that stuff out. We're going to clean up these guys. Or these girls. Look at that. Nah. So make sure you clean yours up really good. Get all the gristle, the veins, all the yucky stuff, get it off. And I'm going to get my oil down over my breast. Now it's time. So I'm just going to make sure that the oil covers every part of the breast. I'm going back in now with my thyme leaves. Gonna put a little thyme on it, not a whole lot. Garlic, baby. Garlic. Don't forget the garlic, baby. And I'm going to put on some Creole seasoning. Creole seasoning, you ask? Yeah, because I like it. And here comes the black pepper, baby. This is a really good black pepper. It's very close to the fresh cracked. Really good. And I'm putting on some paprika. Whew. Man, this is going to be good. And some poultry seasoning. Now you remember you season yours with your favorite spices. And I'm coming back in with some savory. Because I want this dish to also be savory. And now I'm putting on a little bit of that Greek seasoning. Remember, all these spices are optional. Your dish. Make it your way. So I've got this rosemary here, and I am going to just take some of it and put it in my hand and just sort of crush it and break it up. Because I want to release those flavors and those oils in that rosemary so it can be good. Now, with gloved hand, I'm going to begin to work on these ladies. Massaging, rubbing it in. I've got here a oblong pan with oil already in it. I think this pan is about 9 by 13. I'm getting my breast down in it. And they're going to go into a preheated 350 degree oven, and I'm going to let them bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. There they're baking, and then they're out of the oven for a quick little baste. Oh man, looky here, looky here. Oh, and that's that cranberry sauce. Homemade, fresh cranberry sauce. I'm gonna just bathe these guys, these girls, in the cranberry sauce. Getting some on everyone. Oh man, I wish you could smell the chicken. The chicken is ready to go just like it is. It smells so divine. But now I'm putting this beautiful sweet cranberry sauce on the top of this chicken. Mmm. I smell heaven. Yeah. Mmm. Now, for about 7 or 8 minutes in the oven, then I'm going to get it out. Don't want to keep it too long. looky, Miss Cookie. And I'm going to get this one. Yeah, this girl right here is calling my name. She's saying, Meso, come on, girl, let me see that plate. Move that camera over. She's saying, Meso, come and taste me. Not to worry, because I can hear it. Some of you guys don't believe that grits are groceries, but I'm going to have to show you today. This is going to be good. Let me taste them. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, man. Come on. Get into my belly. Mm. 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 I was already salivating. Give me more. So good. You ain't gonna get this in a restaurant. So good, so clean. You know what you're getting here. The savoriness, the sweetness, the tartness. Oh, it is so good. It would be good in a sandwich. Too. Yes. Hey, Meso, you're supposed to be tasting. You're downright eating now, girl. Okay, one more. Mm-mm. Yes. Yes. Oh, this gets the seal of approval. This gets the big old thumbs up. Do it for your family. If you like what you're seeing here, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Give me a thumbs up. Share this video wherever you're active on social media. And leave me your comments. I love to hear what you guys have to say. Thank you for coming by today to visit with me, to see what I was doing, because you guys knew I'd be throwing down. Thanks, guys, and come back. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.